Hi girls. Today we're gonna do a really fun look for fall, and I'm super excited to show it to you because I have some new things. So to get started, my son sent me for my birthday the Amazon luxury beauty box, and it's a bunch of samples of really fun things that I might not otherwise try, so I thought I'd try a couple of those things today with you. So here we are. We have a serum from Lorac and a Mario Badescu moisturizer. So I've washed my face. Actually, I have to put my glasses on to tell you what they are exactly. The Lorac serum is the premium serum. Awesome. And then this is a skincare moisturizer for all skin types with vitamin E and SPF 20. So we'll start with the serum. I have my contacts in, but it's hard for me to see the little teeny writing on these little teeny packages. So I have that serum. It's kind of a creamy serum. And I'm gonna put it all over my face. I'm just gonna slap it on. And then I'm gonna follow it with the moisturizer. And the serum feels very cooling. It feels like, you know, air almost. It doesn't feel heavy. This is a little bit heavier texture, but it does have SPF, so you would expect that. And obviously, this is the moisturizer. You want to feel a little substance. You want to feel like there's some nourishing, moisturizing ingredients that are really gonna feed your skin. So I'm super happy with both of these products. And I might try them again. I'm taking it down my neck, all the way to my chest, and just kind of massaging that moisturizer in. One thing I can say about this moisturizer is you do have to give it a little extra attention when you are patting it in, because it does seem to have a little more whiteness to it. So if you don't fully blend it, you may look a little bit more pale than you want to. But once it's in, it feels super good. I feel like not dry anymore. Okay, now, so that was the Amazon beauty box. I'm gonna get that out of the way. Now, this is super fun too. I have the pumpkin spice collection from HSN. And I'm gonna hold it up. I kind of took everything out because the mascara and the lip gloss were really in there tight. But we'll take it out one at a time so you can see everything. Here's the Better Than Sex mascara. We'll be using that. And this is the lip gloss, and I believe the color is pumpkin spice. And then it comes with a cute little pink brush for your eyeshadow and a wonderful eyeshadow palette, which is not wanting to come out of the box. And it has 4 quads in it. So no matter what neutral fall look you have in mind, you've got all the colors. And today I decided I wanted to use this corner quad up here, and the colors are Love You a Latte, that's the white one. Pumpkin Spice is a little bit more orange. Actually, it's not orange, it's more bronzy. And then Oh My Gourd is a nice neutral warm brown, and the gold is called Golden Pumpkin. So those are the 4 that we'll be using. And then we're also going to use the blush that I showed you last time, and it's also from Too Faced, and everything will be below. But I'm gonna start out with a foundation, and this is from Kristofer Buckle, and you can get it on QVC. And I really like it because it's very easy to blend. I'm just putting a little swipe on my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and my nose, and I'm gonna blend it all in. And it goes on very easily after that Mario Badescu moisturizer. I'm having no trouble at all. And you can see there's really no streaks. It just works like a dream. And I like it so much, I think I'm gonna kind of use a little bit for my concealer. I was gonna use a different concealer, but I'm just tapping the top of this stick foundation, and I'm putting it right under my eyes, and it is not pulling at all. It feels very creamy, and it feels good to my skin. It feels nourishing. Okay, so there's my canvas, and I'm gonna get my concealer out of the way because I use the foundation. So now we're gonna do a little bit with the blush, and I'm just gonna swirl. I'm not gonna work too hard today. This is just a natural look. I have some errands to do later, so I don't need to do anything overdone. I did both cheeks, and then I'm just gonna do my whole face, just touching it lightly all over, and that's gonna be my setting powder, just a little bit of bronzer. And I didn't use a eye primer, so just to kind of make sure my eyes aren't too oily from the moisturizer and the serum, I'm gonna run the brush over my eyelids. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but that's what I do. So now we're gonna take that new brush, and we're gonna take the color Love You a Latte, the white in the corner. I'm going to put that nice creamy, milky color all over my eyelids. Whole lid. And we'll do it on both sides. And this is going to give me a nice base for the other colors that I'm going to be using. There we go. So you can barely tell, but it did cover up some little redness that I have on my eyelids and give me a nice, smooth, velvety texture to put the other colors on with. So now I'm going to take the same brush, and I'm going to take this color down here called Oh My Gourd, and that's the warm brown. Just tap just the slightest little bit. I'm going to kind of put it in the center and work out. And then I'm going to work inward. So I like darkness all over the top of my lid up to a little past the crease, because I have slightly hooded eyes, and if you go a little past the crease, you can see the color even when your eyes are open. So you can see very little difference between the two eyes, but you are beginning to see a difference. So we'll do it on the other side, starting in the center, working out, and then working in. And then just kind of blending it all together. And it kind of seems like the second side was a little darker, so I'll go back to the first side and kind of add. There we go. Now I'm going to take this more orange shade, the pumpkin spice, and just tap it in the outer corners just a bit, going inward. There we go. So this is so easy. This is a wonderful brand, and I like the blendability a lot. Now, since I'm on that color, I'm gonna take a little tiny brush, a little skinny one, and take the pumpkin spice, this kind of orangey brown, and go slightly under. Just a hint of it. Now, if you don't want to do anything under your lower lashes, you totally don't have to. I still like to. I know a lot of people say that it makes you look older, but I don't think so. I like it. And I feel like you can do whatever makes you happy. That's the thing that matters the most to me. You don't have to do anything that I say. I'm here mainly for your entertainment, but if you want to try it, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And another thing is, you don't have to get the same kind of mascara and eyeshadow and foundation and blush and all that stuff. Get what you like, but try some of these fall colors. That's lots of fun. Okay, I'm going back to the brush that they gave me in the kit, and I'm going to do the gold in the center. So I'm gonna take a little pop of gold and put that right in the middle. Ooh, that's so pretty. A little more. Just a touch of shimmer. And I really like that so much, I'm gonna do it again. So a little shimmer in the middle, and then I'll come in closer so you can see. And I am done. So there are my eyelids. And now let's finish. So next, I have a lipstick from Kristofer Buckle. And this one is called Bardot. It's one of my favorites. I like it because you don't need a liner. It's really easy to put on, very precise. Also very creamy and luxurious. Oh, and what else I like about it is it comes in this kind of shiny little tube, and you can use it to have a little mirror if you want to. And then this is the pumpkin spice lip gloss. You could just wear the lip gloss if you want, but I'm not in the mood for that today. I want a little bit bolder lips, so I'm going to have my lipstick and then finish with the lip gloss. Again, that's another thing that some people say you get to a certain age and you shouldn't wear a lip gloss. Well, I think that's ridiculous. I love lip gloss. I think it depends where you live though. Also, in Southern California where I live, lots of people wear lip gloss, everybody. So if you live somewhere where it's more popular to have a matte lip, have a matte lip. But if you want to, put some lip gloss on. And this smells like pumpkin spice. And so did the eyeshadows, but I couldn't smell it as distinctly as the lip gloss. The lip gloss really smells like pumpkin spice. So we're gonna finish off with the mascara. And just do it lightly to begin with on both sides. And then we're gonna build. And I forgot to bring a brow product out. I'm really kind of fortunate, at least I think I'm fortunate now, because my brows are kind of thick and you can see them. If you have very light brows, you're gonna have to use a little brow product. I definitely look better with brow product, but I can get away without it. I'll brush them. But I did use one of those little mechanical shaver type things, the little brow one. Really like it. Last time I got my eyebrows waxed, they really pulled hard. So I've been doing them myself. I'm gonna go under the top lashes. Well, actually kind of on top and under there. And I'm gonna do it over here. I don't add more mascara when I do the tops because it gets on my lids. But if I'm super careful, I'm usually okay. There we go. And so also again, I'm just gonna add the slightest little bit to the bottom, not adding any new mascara and just barely touching them. There we go. So I think I'm gonna go with that for today. I will brush my brows out just a tiny bit. When I was younger, I had really thick brows. They were really unattractive. But now that I'm older, I don't mind. Oh, and another thing that they had in my little pack for my son is some perfume samples. And this is Euphoria from Calvin Klein. I thought it'd be fun to try. It says exotic fruits, rich black orchid, and sensual woods. I thought that sounded like fall. So I'm gonna try it. Ooh, this is heavenly. So those are my fun little new fall makeup ideas for you. And I hope you have fun whatever you're doing, wherever you're going. And here is my finished look. Thanks a lot for watching, girls, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.